Let's do it. Oh.
Boom, LF.
That's you.
18. Let's go.
1-0.
I won. Oh,
that's me. Dang, 1-1. All right, let's go.
oh,
Dude, wait.
That's crazy.
That is me, though, so 2-1.
Yeah,
But hang on. I got...
Bro, that's terrible because now you got like 2 of those guys, Super 17 and Ku. Oh, Ku is just a more evil Rage Shenron.
3-1.
Oh,
that's probably you.
What? No way.
Well, no, wait,
bro.
that actually is me.
Yeah.
You know, say let's calm down. No, there's no way, dude. It's Ku. And now if that were Do, we might have an interesting conversation. He's not beating Boo though.
Nah, I think Boo is still better than Do. And that's me. That's mine.
Yeah.
2-5. Come on, the comeback arc.
You could tie. Ooh. Oh yeah. Ah man, but you.
That's 3 for me. 4. Wait.
Did we miscount?
We tied. We just tied.
No way.
I think we just tied.
Wait, we did tie. We tied.